I want to say the most obvious sign of my inconsistency, like in general, is this: the fact that the last time I posted a video was 3 months ago is because of this. And I do think on a subconscious level to a level is because of this video. You know what I'm saying? But the fact the last time I posted was 3 months ago was a bit wild. I hate saying I'm gonna change and not change, you know. Only Lord and I knows how I'm feeling inside and how I'm feeling about this whole training thing. But trust, I've not gave up on it. You know what I'm saying? I've not gave up on it, but I wanna say I've been doing a lot less, you know. Like a lot less trading wise, a lot less personal life wise. The only thing that's sort of kind of winning is like school. But again, there's also like kind of little wins that I do get, you know, here and there. For example, what I call the Ferrari, you know, again, generally a W, but not really happy about that purchase. But if I start talking about that, it's the whole little wormhole. But I want to exhibit my thing, my inconsistency, right? I want us to look at Euro USD on the weekly, right? So on the weekly, this week's candle, this one, price moved from open from there, went down, came back up and touched there, and I'm like, believe it or not, I saw that beforehand, you know what I'm saying? And you can go here to the channel, 27th October, that was we're in November now, October, that was on Sunday. That's the last time I edited this thing, right? So on the 27th, I wrote, I like 1,07465. This is what the chart was looking on the 27th, the Sunday, right? Basically I was saying I would like to see price go lower, and the reason why I wrote I need clarification on it is because I personally, me, believe in weekly fair value gaps. I believe weekly fair value gaps are the most sensitive thing in price. You know what I'm saying? I look, when price this week touched this one and there, I wanted to see some sort of reaction there. You know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't trade the idea, but since we're at a weekly fair value gap, I do want to see price just, you know, react of it. You know, it doesn't have to be a huge reaction, but it's something I do anticipate, and that's why I say I need clarification, right? But I also carried on. I was like, I also think it is possible for price to move higher, you know, referring to this level right there, referring to that, the 1,08719, wrote it there, the DXY supports this idea, right? And then I was like, if I do anything, you know, keyword, language, if I do anything, you know, meaning, you know, as traders, sometimes, at least for me, you know, if I look at the charts for too long, I want to execute, you know, I want to get in there, I want to do something, you know, if in case I do anything. I wrote, I would buy it, stop at this level, right? 1,076, 10,7613. You see it. Fun fact, we like immediate rebalances. I think I was just stating that. That, yeah, I don't necessarily know why I was stating it, but I think I just like the idea of like maybe price comes here, sharp as immediate rebalance and like starts falling. You know, I don't know why I wrote the last part, but as you could see, if I did buy where I bought, stop would have never got touched, tag growth got hit, you know what I'm saying? Would have been an easy trade. Not really mad at myself for like not being to capitalize on this trade, because again, as you could see in the channel, there was uncertainty, you know what I'm saying? It's like I supported this idea first, then this idea, then, you know what I'm saying? So it's just like, I'm okay, because I know I was not fully 100% certain. But moving into next week, first week of November, next week election week, you know what I'm saying? So the dollar is prone to go higher, you know. Not financial advice, but I think US elections are good overall for the market, you know. That's what I think. So with that being said, the euro being weak first compared to the dollar it's understandable. So next week, definitely selling. Look, this weekly fair value gap, I think we're just gonna push below it, but I'm okay with just getting out at 1,07465. I'm okay. Stop. I wanted to, initially when I was thinking about it, I wanted to put it like consequent encroachment of this family gap, right? But just, you know, elections next week, you know what I'm saying? I know, a lot might go on, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna put it at the high. I'm gonna put it there at the high. That's where my stop's gonna be, you know. So yeah, if you wanna see if this trade is gonna play out, I'm definitely gonna post an update video, because look, again, I don't wanna say I'm gonna be back on my consistency era, but like, I understand for me to be back on that bandwagon, there's a few things that I need to change.